Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix reconnection failed error in Gangstar Mirage City online game. So if you are also coming through this kind of error, that is 601 reconnection failed, so don't worry, this video guide will surely help to fix the problem. So what you have to do is, many users have reported that they were getting this kind of error. So what you have to do is you have to check your internet connection first to make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using Wi-Fi, you can move to mobile data or do vice versa, or otherwise you can enable airplane mode and again disable airplane mode, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. But if the issue continues, you are suggested to check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Gangstar Mirage City, and here you have to check if any update is available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here, go to the app info, click on storage, click on clear cache. Now after clearing the cache of the game, here you have to check if the problem is fixed or not. Also suggested, if you have enabled any kind of VPN, then you are suggested to disable the VPN, and after that try to launch the game and check if the error is fixed or not. If the issue continues, you are suggested to reinstall the game once. So this will surely help to fix the problem. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on delete icon, and then click on uninstall. Now again, after that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Gangstar Mirage City game, install it, and after that launch the game and check if the problem you are coming across is fixed or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.